Okay, so I just put some gel on my hair to like slick the edges back or whatever. I'm trying to debate if I'm going to do an install video. I don't know, y'all. Should I? It's just so hard to like, because I really want to focus and I want to make sure that it comes out good. So I'm going to do the install for y'all.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Pause my music for a second. So I am going to go ahead and style this off camera. I'm just gonna hot comb it and flat iron it straight. I'll be curling it for my little photo shoot or whatever, but yeah, I'm not gonna show that process on camera. I'm literally just gonna flat iron it and hot comb the top, and then I'll be back once it's time to install. But let's finish the ball cap. So right now I got the wig on just so I could see where I want it to lay or whatnot. I did go ahead and pluck it a little, but I may end up going back to pluck some more.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
So it's been a little bit over 45 minutes, so I'm gonna take this elastic band off. This thing is killing me. But this is the trick. The elastic band is what really gives you that melt, you see? Get a little closer now. Let me let y'all see that first. This is after sitting for 45 minutes. So what'll make it easier is if you just kind of do a slit there. I like to just cut in sections. I'm looking at this little viewfinder and it's hard to see. Okay, just cutting this off. In no particular way, kind of trying to zigzag it out so it won't be too straight across. We got all of the excess lace on, and as you can see the lace, but we're gonna make that disappear shortly. So I'm not gonna do this on camera because I can't see like in a small viewfinder, but I'll tell y'all the steps that I do. So after I part them off, I go ahead and hot comb it so it can lay down. So I'll hot comb it all down, and then I'll take my flat iron, curl it under or up, whichever way, so it really don't matter. Then I'll take me some mousse and just swoop them. Some mousse, or got2b, or however you use, whatever you use to do your edges. I switch it up. Some days I do gel, some days I do mousse, sometimes I do the spray. So however I decide to do it, I'll come back and tell y'all what I did use. But yeah, you'll just swoop, swoopity swoop. I'm just trying to figure out how many I want. I don't know if I want to just do the two, like one here and one here, or add one here too. Just want y'all to see before I swoop the edges down. So this is the finished install. I guess I can let this down to show y'all. So yeah, I like it. This is very different. I never thought that I would put some blonde hair in my head. I am in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Make sure y'all check out the coloring video as well. I will see y'all next time.